for two samples, the direct formula is available. Direct formula is available in the Excel based on the add-on package, tool package. So here you listen. This is output. Two mines. Number 1, number 2. There are 20 mine 1, then 20. How much? Some 23 like that. Mines. The corresponding output is here. You are going to check whether the output of these two mines are equal or not. The output of these two mines are equal or not. So what is the hypothesis here? This is independent sample. First mine, one is that observation is independent. The second observation is independent. You are going to check whether these two are equal or not. Otherwise, the first one is greater than the output of the mine 1, the average output of the mine 2. The variance, everything is here. You see this, what is this? 2.67 times. Now you see calculated value. Suppose if it is two-sided, select this two-sided. The probability value and the hypothesis. First you frame the hypothesis. When you are testing hypothesis or studying the statistical study, first you construct the hypothesis. There are some steps already discussed. Construct the hypothesis, null hypothesis. After that, alternative hypothesis. The next, level of significance. Fix your level of significance. The next, choose a proper statistical tool, proper statistical test. The next, computations part. After that, give the conclusion. So these are the steps to be followed when you are testing a problem, testing hypothesis problem. Okay, construct the null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Fix the level of significance. Choose the appropriate test statistic. The next, the computations. And after that, the inference. So these 5 steps is very important when testing a problem, testing a hypothesis problem. Okay. So what is the hypothesis for that problem? Here there are 20 employees. Before training, after training, the score is given. Yes. What's your hypothesis? Null hypothesis? Same. Yes. Before and after. There is no effect. So before and after, the score is same. Alternative not equal, or before, after training is effective, training is more score compared to the previous one.
The training
that is
effective.
Training is effective, like that you frame the hypothesis. Or not equal to, less than, greater than. Training again less than or training effect greater than check pannidhu. Suppose you see the data, fact test, you see 41. First only one individual, you consider one individual, 41. After training the score 41. Whether it is effective or not? Effective. When considering one individual, then it is effective. You see this 35, 36, 40, 48, 39, 40, 45, 52. So just you glance the data, go through the data. You can give some interpretation based on the data without using the statistical analysis. You can give some interpretation based on your visualization of data. So I think almost greater. Almost greater, is it? So what about your inference? Whether the hypothesis rejected or accepted?
Rejected.
Accept or rejected? This is hypothesis. The hypothesis means null hypothesis. I am talking about hypothesis. That means what? Null hypothesis only. Rejected. Since rejected, since it is effective, you see, based on the data. Now let us test using the tool, using the statistical tool. You check it. T statistic minus 2.3. P value 0.02. Alpha value 0.05. So P value is less than alpha value. So automatically the hypothesis is rejected. So sometimes based on the data, we can give some moral inference. Okay, so this is, yeah, any doubt? No, tell me. Reject hypothesis. Generally, we say H not means null hypothesis, HA means alternative hypothesis, or H1 alternative hypothesis, like that. Okay. So when you are using the statistical software, just you take this P value, that P value less than or equal to your selected alpha value, then you reject when you are using the statistical software. Suppose you are using a statistical table, then you check the calculated value less than table value, then
reject the result.
Accept the result. Generally, we are not using the accept command. We may be accept. Don't use directly the command accept H0. There is no evidence to reject the hypothesis. When you are giving the interpretation, Don't simply say that accept the hypothesis. Accept the hypothesis. It's not like that. There is no evidence. There is no evidence to reject the hypothesis. Since we are not confident 100%, they are confident at 90% or 99% or 90%. So don't say accept hypothesis, accept hypothesis, accept H naught like that. So just you simply, there is no evidence to reject the hypothesis. Okay. So if it is calculated value is greater than table value, then reject H naught. You see the difference. We take the second one. What will be the statistics? Whether T statistic or chi-square statistic or F statistic or Z test, whatever it is, just you compute based on your formula. Then you secure the value of the table. If the calculated value is greater than table value, then simply reject the hypothesis. Reject, we simply say reject the hypothesis. When you are accepting, don't say directly, there is no evidence to reject the hypothesis. That's a better inference. Otherwise, we may be accepted. We may be accepted the hypothesis. So better.